Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can use a vision model in LM Studio in Windows locally. When we say vision model, it primarily means that we can supply a model an image, and then model would be able to understand that image and we would be able to talk about that image with the model. So that is the whole idea behind a vision model. Normally in LM Studio, you download two files when it comes to a vision model, and I will show it to you shortly. On your screen, you can see this Llava Phi-3 mini model from XTuner. This is a vision model. It has been fine-tuned from Phi-3 mini 4K instruct model and also from clip with large one. If you are not aware of Phi-3, I have already done various videos on a Phi-3, which is an amazing model that has already performed really nicely on various benchmarks. And XTuner has brought in the vision capabilities to this Phi-3 model, and that is what we are going to use in the LM Studio. So let me launch LM Studio. And then if you are not aware of what LM Studio is, LM Studio is a very easy tool through which you can run large language models locally on your Windows system. Launch LM Studio and then simply type Llava Phi-3 mini, press enter, and you will see that there are few of the vision models, context model of this vision model available. I already have downloaded this ggml model f16.gguf file, which is the actual model, just under 8 gig. As you can see, with the vision models you would need to download one more file. So normally at the top of this LM Studio console on the right hand side, you will see another file with vision adapter in it, and there should be mmproj keyword in that file name. So make sure you also download it. And then once it is downloaded, then you can just click on this folder icon and then click on show in file explorers, and you will see that this is the XTuner directory, and then this is a model, and these are two files which we have downloaded. So make sure these two files are present in this directory. Once they are there, then you are ready to load this model. Make sure you load it like this from the middle. Let's wait for it to load. It shouldn't take too long, and you can keep an eye on the resource usage on the top left. By the way, I'm using one GPU card of 16 GB VRAM and my memory is 32 GB. Almost there. So you can see that the model is loaded now. In order to speed it up, let's also offload all the GPU layers to the GPU. You can see that I have already offloaded all the layers to the GPU. Let's go back. I have just set it in the frame, the whole screen. Now, for example, if I go to my desktop, this is my images folder. If you grab any image and then drop it here, then you see this is your image here, and then you can talk with it. You can say, what is in this image? There you go. So it says it's a large crocodile, and you can talk with it. This smaller green, and then it is talking about that crocodile, and it's going on and on and on. So where this crocodile normally is found, and then it is telling about where it is found, and then there are few other information it is giving you. So this is how easy it is to just drag and drop your image in this chat one, and you see that there is also this chat icon, and you will only see it in the vision ones. Let's try it out another one. So I'm just going to see if there are any OCR capabilities. I'll just ask it, what is the text in this image? And this is the text. As you can see, let it print first and then we'll see. Okay, so it is still, I think, hallucinating with the previous one. Okay, so in that case, so this is not the fault of model, by the way. Sometimes due to the GPU deficiency, or sometimes due to the LM Studio, this doesn't give the good response. In that case, simply just reload the model and wait for it, and then ask your question again. Model is reloaded. Let me clear my chat. Let's reload the model, and then when it is loaded, I will just drop the image again and then ask the same question. So model is loaded, and now let me grab it. Now let's ask it, what is the text in this image? There you go. So you see the quick brown fox, and then if I go down, it is very correctly identifying it. Let me make it slightly bigger, so there you go. Now you can compare. It is detecting the parenthesis, it is detecting the exclamation mark. Is there any? Yes, after jumps, and then even it is detecting the commas. So you see that even a lot of other things it is detecting here. And it is saying that text appears to be a list of words and phrases written in English that are related to the theme of animal. Dogs and foxes. Okay. So that's our lazy brown fox. That is what it is. And then it is also checking all. Now it is slicing and dicing the whole text here. So you see, it is quite efficient in terms of vision. So let me now ask it. Let me load it again. Sorry, I should have cleared the chat anyway. So let it load, and then we'll ask another question. So now let me give it another cool image. In this image, there is a sunset, and then there are few kangaroos. Let me see if it is able to count the kangaroos. Can you count the number of kangaroos and birds in this image? Let's see. So you see there are three kangaroos. So the image captures a serene sunset, a vibrant sunset. That is true. The sky awash with warm hues of orange and yellow. Amazing prose. Okay, so it says in the foreground, two silhouetted figures animate the scene. One person walking towards us. No, that is not correct. So to the left of this figure stands a tree. Yes, that is correct. So it was unable to detect the kangaroos here. The model thinks that these three silhouettes, it was unable. So it only is able to detect there are figures, but it was unable to detect that it was actually a kangaroo, let alone to identify or count them. That is fine. Let's try out one more. So what is this image? Let's see. There you go. So it's a mountainous landscape and it's a breathtaking one. That is correct. Anyway, I mean, for this model, which is very, very small size model and mini model, and then fine tuned with these images, I think the performance is simply amazing. So this is how you can use this Llava Phi-3 mini with images, which is simply amazing. So really hats off to XTuner for doing it. And on their Hugging Face page, they have given a lot of other information where you can read further stuff like how they have fine-tuned it, and then some of the visual encoder stuff, and then some of the results here on different benchmarks, MMQ, MMBench, and a lot of others. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will drop the link to this in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.